Today I filed my nomination at 12 o'clock sharp as by my mood. And everything went out smoothly. Everything will fall in its place.
But the person who is leading, Amni Ponjekar, is not seen with you.
He's gone to his school day. Today is Friday, he's gone to his school day.
पूण सुरेंद्र बाब तुमकां दिसना की तुमी सगळ्यांनी बाराबर येवन बरोवपाक घाल्लें म्हणून
We have a strategy.
हितूनय स्ट्रॅटेजी आहा
Yes.
4 जाण आयज फाल्यां 4 जाण परवा 4 जाण
Yes.
सो हाऊ डू यू फील नाउ
And what else I'll find? In the form you can't find Ami Ponjekar. In the form you have to find as an individual.
ना पण तुवें फॉर्म भरला पळय तो इंडिविज्युअल फाटल्यानय तुज्या खूब पणजेकार दिसता जे तुजे फ्रेंड आहा पळय सो व्हॉट यू हॅव टू से
They all have supported the Panjim, no?
सो यू हॅव आस्क्ड देम आल्सो
Slowly
टू
and
सपोर्ट
gradually, like our Dandi March by Mahatma Gandhi, there were few people, then thousand and crores people. Let it will happen here also.
Sir, which ward
I am contesting ward number 9, which was held by my wife Ruth Furtado. My ward number 6, which I won, was turned into OBC. I wanted to put my wife in ward number 8, it has turned to women OBC. So I had no option but go in ward number 9. And my son Leonid is going in ward number 7, which was last time reserved for OBC, in general.
You feel this
It doesn't matter whether it's OBC or general anything. I can contest in any 30 ward. I have contested Panjim twice. So there's nobody who doesn't know Surin Pratap.
No, but,
Surin, Babush म्हणता की 30 अटेल म्हणटा. So is it so easy to defeat Surin?
I think that day I said no, every day is not a Sunday.
today okay
I wish my friend Babush Munsarat, who's my friend for the last 40 years, all the very best.
No, but सगळ्यांक-
Everybody should have a dream.
No, पण फ्रेंडूय म्हणटा तुमी अशें करूंकय ना म्हणटा तशें करूं
No,
कितें
that's okay.
पॉलिटिक्स
Friends aside, politics is aside. Now you all journalism, well, we have differences because you'll want to come in the front and take the click first before the other takes. Isn't it?
सो तो आहे तुमचे डिफरन्सीस
Sang.
So every day is not Sunday म्हटलं not possible म्हणतात.
No, you should understand what I have said. Every day is not a Sunday. Don't put words in my mouth.
So, but you have to explain it
clearly
to us in a
सांगू दे,
better way, no?
No, it's okay. You, as long as you understand, is more than sufficient.
What do you think that people should vote for?
Because people of Panjim have suffered, no? Now it's up to the people of Panjim whether they should be Panjikar or somewhere else.
सुरेंद्र बाबा पण उदय पळयता उदयान एक स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा आतां 90% ऑफ वर्क अंडर स्मार्ट सिटी हॅज बीन कंप्लीटेड एंड इट हॅज बीन डन गुड व्हॉट इज
If he has said, I don't want to comment on anything. Let the people of Panjim
नो बट यू
comment.
अग्री ऑन दैट
Let the people of Panjim comment. on
बट
that.
यू अग्री
I said, let the people of Panjim comment.
बट व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल व्यू ऑन दैट
That personal view I will tell you when I am on the field.
सो दैट टाइम
तुम्ही आता fielder ना तर-
When I am on the field, when we start the election campaign, I will tell you what it is. You are not going anywhere. You will be with us.
Okay, Vladimir Bab, you have also filed a nomination form. So you are also in the free for election this time.
Pardon?
You have also filed a nomination form. What's up,
No. No, he is not filed. My son will be
Sir,
filing
that's
on
what I'm
23rd. On 23rd.
No, he has not filed it yet.
So तुमच्या वॉर्डान कितें कामां पेंडिंग उरल्या सुरेन? तुझ्या वॉर्डान कितले कामां पेंडिंग उरल्या अशी?
पळय सुरीन फुर्तादो इज वर्क आवर कलीग म्हाजें कितें करपाचें तें केलें म्हाका ऑलमोस्ट 8 म्हयने खूब सफर केलो हांव आमकां वर्कर दिवंक ना ट्री कटर दिवंक ना स्काय लिफ्ट दिवंक ना बीट कटर दिवंक ना आनी हे सगळें हांवें हाडलेलें सांगता पूण आय कांट लेट माय पीपल डावन हांवें म्हाजे स्वताचे पयशे घालून सगळे कामां करून घेतल्या
सो मेयरान
मनी इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू ब्लेम एनीबडी द गॉड विल जज
ऑपोजिशनान आसा म्हणून तुका सपोर्ट करूं ना मेयरान.
What is the biggest advantage for this election season? What is the biggest advantage you have in this election? The previous experiences, what it is?
See, our biggest advantage is the citizen of Panji, Ami Ponjikar, they are with us. No? And you all also with us from inside.
Surinder Bab, your panel saying there should be no family raj. Right now you are contesting, your wife is contesting.
No, my wife is not contesting, sorry. You withdraw your word. My son is contesting. I am maintaining both the seats.
family
No, I am maintaining both my seats. People have decided that we are good workers for them. My wife has been elected 5 times. I've been elected 7 times.
So, but good to hear that you all are good workers. Who are the bad workers?
I don't know. You have to tell.
उत्पल जेन्ना बाबुशाचे उलयता की फॅमिली राज सो तुमच्या भितर आतां फॅमिली राजूच जालें
आमचें कितें आतां हांव हांगा आय हॅव बीन रायट फ्रॉम 1985. माय वायफ हॅज बीन फ्रॉम 2002. करेक्ट?
So, what has changed from 1985 till now in
Kidale?
Panjim city? In Panjim, what has changed?
Arey Baba, my friend Kenzil, wait. Very soon he'll come to know from the people only, no?